I don't think she's really had catnip before, but she's going crazy for this stuff. At least she's not going to attack my tree anymore. Koko! Okay, you gotta move out of the way. They like all this stuff. Move. You gotta let me blend it in. Koko don't. If she started attacking me for that catnip, they go psycho over this stuff. So I don't really know how she's gonna do with it. I'm trying to get her to scratch that, so I put catnip on it. Koko, you need to scratch the post. Move back. She's gonna attack me. I'm kind of scared. So I'm gonna leave it there. They don't say how much to put in there, so. She really likes this thing, so. Hopefully. Koko, no! Trying to attack my finger. There, go play. Look, Koko. You can scratch it. Koko! She's so cute. Get, get it, Koko. Don't drag it. There you go. That's what Mama wants to see. Hopefully, just get her a couple of those and she just. Koko, what are you doing, Koko? What are you doing, baby? What are you doing, Koko? Koko. Hi, Koko. What are you doing? Uh-oh. Hi, Koko. You're so pretty. You playing with your new toy? Yeah. Oh, hi, baby. What are you? Hi, baby. What do you want to eat? Koko, you want to eat? Eat. Koko, eat. But Koko, eat. You want to eat, baby? Do you want to eat? You said eat. Koko eats. Koko eats. Catnip. Get it, Koko. Okay, that's enough. Go play on your block. Koko, come here. Go over there. Look. Go play in your box. Go on. I probably have to put that in the spare bedroom because that will annoy me if I'm trying to watch TV. Her scratching at that box and playing with it. Coco. Hey, you need to quit eating that stuff. That's gross. They eat that. Ow! Don't claw me. Hi, baby. Okay, that's enough taping, but that is my cat Coco's first catnip. And she really likes it. And so hopefully she'll just scratch that from now on. Bye-bye. And leave my tree alone. You hear me, Coco? Leave the tree alone. As you can see, all that mess. That sucks. All that mess down there is from her. All the chess pieces on the floor. All that crap on the floor. I definitely likes to play. So, pretty much. I just got back from Walmart. That's where I got my stuff. Oh, pets again. Go go! See ya!